It still is, but it is no longer empty. Means the small huts, hutments made of mud, tarpaulin, tin, these are there, and that's why that place is no longer empty. In structures of mud with roofs of tin and tarpaulin, devoid of sewage, drainage, or running water, lived 10,000 rag pickers. So, though there were people living made of houses made of tin and tarpaulin, but there was no sewage connection, sewage management, waste management, drainage, or running water facility. So they were living there, but there were no facilities, and around 10,000 rag pickers were living there. They have lived here for more than 30 years without identity, without permits, but they had ration cards. And these are important because with the ration cards only they can get their names on voters list, and in this way they would be useful for the politicians. So they had voter ID cards, and that's why ration cards were availed to them, and this was useful for them because it enabled them to buy grain. Food is important. It is very important for survival than an identity. If at the end of the day we can feed our families and go to bed without an aching stomach, means for them it was very important to sleep after getting food, not to sleep empty stomach. So if at the end of the day we can feed our families, the families of rag pickers, we would rather live here than in the fields that gave us no grain. So because they have come from Bangladesh, Dhaka, and there were storms, so they prefer to live in these hutments because the fields they had, it had no grain for them. Say a group of women in tattered sari. When I asked them why, they left their beautiful land of green fields and rivers. So whenever a question was asked, whenever these rag pickers were asked why they have left their native place, they told that they are getting at least food. Wherever they find food, they pitch their tents that become transit homes. So they were living a nomadic life. Children give up children grow up in them, becoming partners in survival, and they become a partner in their survival. How they were partner? By rag picking. Through the years it has acquired the proportions of a fine art. So the area which was covered by the rag, by the garbage, it has covered a shape, it has taken a shape of a fine art, and from there only they were getting all the things. That's why that garbage was like gold for them. It is their daily bread. How it is gold? Because that garbage was only giving them daily bread, daily food, a roof over their heads, means from there they get some tarpaulin pieces, some tins, even if it is a leaking roof. But for a child it is even more. Means living in such miserable condition was also full of life for them, as they were getting all the things of their requirement through that garbage. So for them garbage was not less than gold. Okay, thank you.